Okay, this is the East Point bathroom. I didn't do a before picture because I wasn't here for the before. What it was is there are two bathrooms, one upstairs and one downstairs, that are identical. It's a 1960s style house. There was a lot of thick flooring here. It was standard gray tile on the wall and cast iron tubs. They took all that stuff out and hired me to build them some showers. They didn't want the tubs no more. So, and then in addition I did the floor. This is 12 by 12 travertine on the floor. I just set this a few hours ago, so I haven't grouted that, and that's why you don't see the grout. But anyway, I started where the tub was. I fashioned a new drain where the tub was, did a new fixture, shower fixture from where the old tub stuff was at. Customer wanted this 12 by 24 travertine tile, quite heavy and quite big. And they wanted it staggered, and that's what I did. And this is their design. Let's see, little 3x6s at the bottom and the top, and then this trim in the middle. And then of course, I always do niches, and there's my trademark. I take floor tile from the shower, a back cut, and I put it right there. And the customer bought this rope type of trim, which I didn't really like too much, so I asked him to get this other Roman type trim, which I like a lot better, and that's what we did on the outside, both sides. And you'll see downstairs I trimmed out the niche with that also, and you know, new shower fixture. And so, you know, this is pretty standard bathroom that I do quite a bit of. In this case I did two of them simultaneously, so a little bit more work than I normally get into. This is the downstairs bathroom. As I said, it's pretty much the same setup as it was upstairs. And for the most part, it's the same tile. You know, the little 2x2 on the mat on the floor, although they opted for a bench. This is a foam bench. They cost about $150, and they're waterproof. I love them. I've already done one on another video that you saw, or you may not have seen, but anyway, that's what that is. And then you just wrap it with tile. I use the same trim that we saw upstairs on the side. I always do that going across there. I did it on the niche, and the border that's in the middle is a little different, but it's the same idea of the 3x6. In this case, the customer wanted the same 12 by 24 set up and down, and it's a little different. I'm not sure I like it. It's a heavy tile to go up, and you know, it's just different. So it is what it is. On this particular niche, she's from Florida, so I cut a conch shell and kind of did a sliver and set it back there and then grouted into it. So a little different thing on the niche. And of course the framing on the niche, you know, I use the same type of Roman trim. I call it Roman trim, just around that instead of that small pencil stuff. So that's it. And I'm going to move on to the next job, and this was a pleasure doing this because I've never done that tile on a shower wall. Usually I do that on the floor, and then this usually is on the shower wall, but kind of back hassling. But I like it. But I'm moving on. Next job.